Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be smoking some chicken breasts. That's right, we got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we're going to be wrapping in prosciutto this time and not bacon, okay? So we want to see how that prosciutto gets nice and crispy, gives it that nice salty flavor on the outside, and add another dimension of flavor to a buttermilk hot sauce brine chicken tender. So hey, stick around, watch us do this prep work. I see you at the taste test, and hey, let's get it started. Alright guys, so we're finished with our cook, and they look real good. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up look at this. As you can see, they got a nice sheen from the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and you can see the prosciutto. It's nice and crispy on top of the chicken. So I'm anxious to see exactly what this bad boy tastes like, especially with the buttermilk marinade that we put them in. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut into one of these bad boys and see what we got, okay? This here. Alright. Alright. You know, actually, I'm surprised that it's got some moisture in it. We had a hard time with the timing of this cook for some reason, but we got them off right as they finished cooking, and there is a lot of moisture inside of this slice of chicken. Okay, so got a nice smell to it. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got here. All right, these are pretty good here. I got a nice little kick from the hot sauce, and like I said, they are moist due to the buttermilk marinade that we use. The prosciutto on there is a nice change from the bacon. It's nice, thin, it's crispy. It's got a nice little salty kick to it, so it tastes very good. So the saltiness of the prosciutto against the sweetness of the Sweet Baby Ray's and against the flavoring in the chicken works out very well. And the one benefit about taking the chicken breast and splitting it down the middle to make them kind of long, almost like chicken tenders, and then wrapping them with the prosciutto, is that I could take these and put these inside of a bun and put whatever condiments you want on top of them, and eat them just like a hot dog or a po' boy or what have you. So this prosciutto wrapped chicken came out very, very good, so I'm very happy with this. Well, like I said, wanted to try to wrap some chicken in something other than bacon, and the prosciutto worked out very well. If you want all the steps and ingredients that we use in the marinade and the seasoning and the cooking times and things, look down in the description block. And I would say that this worked out very, very well. Like the pellet smoker we used was the RecTech 680. I used that because they have that button on it where you can have additional smoke, and I forgot to press the button on this one here, but nonetheless the flavor is real good. Not overly smoky, but the flavor is real good. So if you guys are in the market for a pellet grill, check out RecTech grills. Those guys have fantastic customer service. Their products are very good. We have both the mini and the 680, so they are fantastic cooking devices if you're in the market for a pellet smoker. Okay, so well, that's all we have time for tonight. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. See you guys around the smoker.